I find a seat by the window.
Good morning. Do you have your ticket?
Yes, of course. I booked it online yesterday.
Great. I just need to see it, please.
I open my bag. I look for the ticket. I don't see it in here.
Take your time.
I check the side pocket too. It isn't there.
Do you wear a jacket today?
Yes, I do. I check my left pocket. I check my right pocket too. It isn't here either.
Don't worry. It happens often. Do you check your trouser pockets?
Not yet. I check now. I find my phone and my keys. But I don't find the ticket. I feel a little worried now.
It's okay, Tom. Passengers lose their tickets all the time. We always find a way. We always find a way. Do you print the ticket at home?
I don't remember. I think it's a digital ticket. But I'm not completely sure.
I come back to you in a few minutes. Please look again in your bag.
I wait for Anna to leave. I look at my bag again. I empty my whole bag. I put everything on the seat. I check every item. I look inside my notebook too. I don't find the ticket anywhere. Maybe I pay a fine today.
Do you find your ticket?
No, I don't find it. Wait, I remember something. I booked the ticket on my phone app.
That's good news, Tom. We check the app instead.
I pick up my phone. I look for the app. The screen stays dark.
Maybe the battery is low.
I turn it on again. It slowly starts now. The phone works very slowly.
That's okay. Take your time.
I open my email app. I search for the confirmation. I scroll through my inbox. I don't see the email yet.
Do you check the spam folder?
No, I don't check that yet. I open the spam folder. I look through the list. I see the train company's name. This is the email. I open it right away. My hands shake a little. The email shows my booking. There's a code on the screen. I show you the screen.
Perfect. Let me scan it. I scan the code now. One moment, please. The scanner shows a green check. Everything looks correct. Your booking is valid, Tom. You don't need a paper ticket.
I feel so relieved now. Thank you so much, Anna.
It's no problem at all. I help passengers every day.
I put everything back. I close my bag again.
Where do you travel to today?
I go to the city. I visit my sister there. I go there once a month.
Why do you visit her today?
It's a special reason this time. My sister has a new baby. The baby is only 3 days old. 3 days old.
That's wonderful news, Tom. Congratulations to your family.
I feel very excited today. I can't wait to see the baby. Yes, the sun makes the trip nicer. I love a sunny journey.
We stop 2 more times. Your station comes after that.
How long does the trip take?
About 40 minutes, usually.
The train slows down now.
Your stop is next, Tom.
I stand up and get ready. I hold my bag tightly. Thank you again for your help.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Have a lovely day.